today's work, man. So it's charging port, right? So y'all can see in there. But the pins is broken off inside. And that come from just pulling the cord out, you know what I'm saying, roughly or at a wrong angle or whatever the case may be. It can mess up the pins inside of the where you charge it at. So it's gonna be a little work for little mama, because I gotta pull this heat sink off. This is the ribbon right here, and then I gotta get these screws out that's covering the hinges and pull this out. So I done pulled the screws out and the heat sink come out, and yeah, we about to get to it. So now we got it out. I'm gonna try to zoom in so y'all can see the damage. There we go. So it was a covering over these two wires, which is no longer there. These wires shouldn't be exposed like that, and that's why the laptop isn't charging or receiving any power from the charger.